I wanted to try out this new lighting case. So this is what the new lighting case comes with. We're gonna try it together and see how this thing works out with the ROG2. So this lighting case works with this ROG2 in a synchronizing way, and this case uses NFC, which is near field communication. So as you can see here, there's no any attachment of cables. There's no anything that needs you to attach to this phone for it to work with this phone. This casing here is able to automatically synchronize with this phone and is able to sense immediately when it comes in contact with this phone. So I'm gonna show you how it works. So as you can see, I hope my camera is able to capture this. So my phone is able to sense the case and able to synchronize automatically with the case. So you can see here. So it's not any cable that is being attached here, you can see. And this is how it works. And after that, it's going to ask you to accept the theme that is corresponds to this case here. So I have either a choice of either to apply this theme, or I can suggest to say not now. Basically what happens when I choose the not now, it usually takes me back to my previous theme. And when I apply it, let's see. When I apply it, and this is what happens. So basically, it applies the theme that corresponds to this theme here. This theme here. Alright, so this lighting case is a very good lighting case, and I tend to like it here. But there are some certain things that I don't like about this lighting case. The first one is that, this lighting case is too smooth. It's very, very smooth. Very, very smooth. It's very easy for this phone to fall off when you're not very careful, when you put it on maybe slanting tables. The other thing why I don't like this lighting case is that it makes the phone feel too thick. And the lighting case itself is quite a bit heavy. Knowing that the ROG2 is quite heavy, and when you put it together with the lighting case, oh my god, it just adds up quite a lot of weight. When you put it into your pocket, you can actually feel the weight of the phone. So when it comes to you as a daily user of this phone, for ladies, it's actually quite a bit of trauma. The other thing that I don't like about this lighting case is when you put it together with the phone, removing this lighting case is quite a struggle. It's not very easy to just pop it out of the phone and put it back like that. The other thing that I don't like about this lighting case is that it cannot be used with a fan. The ROG2 has a fan, this fan here, which can be used for cooling system when playing heavy games or maybe. So that fan cannot be used together with this lighting case together. You have to actually remove this lighting case out. Now imagine the struggle of you removing this lighting case and putting the fan there. So this is why basically I don't like this case. But when it comes to the protection of the phone, it's very good, and I like it. I really like it. Yeah. So basically, if you don't mind about it being so heavy and the trouble of removing and putting back, and you don't mind about using the fan, and you don't and careful with your phone, then you can easily go for this lighting case. But if one of those fall out, then you have to think twice about it. Thank you guys, and thank you for watching my videos. I hope you can like, subscribe, and